Okay, so I know it's been a while, so I just got a message from my camera. But we're here, back. I've been kind of preoccupied with getting the water working, but the water's working now. Now it's summertime, so you can kind of have something to see. So you can see the hoses are out and everything. We've kind of got the ground under control here. Big pile of bricks still there. But as you can see, here's where the fake well was. They called this the fake well is because you can see the line that I've dug going back to where the real well is. So the well was here, and basically there was no line connecting the two. There was at one point, and the pipe ended right about here. So when we were trying to prime the pump from over there, it wasn't doing any good. So I got this is my little pump house set up now with my well coming out of the well water there. So that is working out pretty well. Yeah, get it. So here's the well. I think I'm going to keep it as just kind of a memento of my time digging up the well. So you can see over here, here's the other part of this. I think it could be kind of hipster. This is an original East German wellhead. So I'm going to put it back together, not to use anything to pump because it's not going to work, just because I think it looked kind of cool. So I just need to get some screws and stuff for that. So there's that. But let me show you. So like I said, we filled in the old pond a little bit, and as you can see, we've got the kind of taking care of some of the ground here. And then yeah, we've got fruit. So there's our cherries right there, right on the tree. Cherries. And then these are our plums, I think, coming in. And then the lawnmower that we had, he's protected. Why is he protected? Because it works. Yeah, so it actually works. We tested it out, put some gas in there, and yeah, so you can see what's going on here. Got some potatoes going on, and then this is a big project right now. You can see all my project things outside. That is, we have there, so I figured out this brick thing was the pump house. So what we have there, we have an automatic pump that will provide water. So right now there's a leak in it, so I got to figure out what's going on there. Not even quite sure where that's coming from, but yeah, it's pretty handy. So we do have some more furniture, probably than the last time. It's all around. So we've got the hammock going on now. There's a fat ball tree right there. So this is like kind of the creepy part of the yard. Still need to get that out of control. And then we got some strawberries going on here. And then of course the hammock. That is a nice little hammock. Some extra chairs over here. This is our refrigerator right now. What I'm doing is filling this up with well water to chill things out. So actually water is actually pretty cold when it comes out of the well. Put my feet in there sometimes. And yeah, so got a grill gifted to us, and then the door has been fixed. So I don't know if you remember from our earlier episodes, apparently back in the 90s people wanted to get into this place really bad, so but we fixed that, get everything squared away down there at the bottom. And then we've got some, as you can see, we've got some furniture now. There's furniture in there. Got the Texas flag up there. And then the kitchen's happening now. So we got a boiler, we got a microwave, we got a hot plate, yeah, we got a toaster. This is like, yeah, it's getting crazy over here. So refrigerator, little mini fridge would be the next step. And then the other thing is I did manage to take care of that stupid lamp. So that is gone. No longer hit my head on the ceiling. And then the bathroom is, well, let's just show you. This is with the automatic pump. Oh yeah, there's some water pressure there. How about some hot water? Hot. Whoa, that's almost too hot. Yeah. And the shower's working. So everything's working. I think the pump has got that one leak that I need to take care of. But other than that, yeah, I'll let you know what's going on with the pump. Oh, I did figure out how to open. So these windows, They do open. The thing is, they have no, for some reason the handles were taken out. So they have there's nothing to open them with, but they do open just fine. Anyway, so I'll start doing these a little bit more. Oh, these are grapes. Did you see our grapes? There you go. Did a good job of the grapes. I'll try to do these updates more, just because I was just so obsessed with getting that water working. But now that we have water, hopefully everything else is downhill from here. So yeah, I'll let you know what's going on with the automatic pump. It's looking good. It's just that one little leak that's kind of bothering me. We got to figure that out. Not even sure. Yeah. So it's coming from there. All right. Well, I'll take care of this, and I'll holler at you kids later. So thanks for joining, and it'll get better. I promise. I'll be back with more updates. So take it easy, and auf Wiedersehen.